In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the graphical user interface on Ubuntu Server 24.04. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as you see the title of this video, we're going to install the graphical user interface on Ubuntu Server 24.04. In my previous videos, I installed that on the version 22.04 and I received some comments like they're not able to install that, but most of them were able to install the GUI on their server, and I was really glad that it helped. So in this video, I'll show you everything step by step and we will test that as well. So I'm gonna show you this step by step so you can follow along. Step number 1 is updating the index. apt update. Okay, so meanwhile when it's upgrading, I want to tell you something that you can install your desired desktop environment. So there are Gnome, XFCE, KDE, LXDE, and the mate. Whatever you want, I will provide you all the commands in the description so you can see and use whatever you want. But for this one, I'm going to use the most famous, the Gnome, and we will install that, and we will also test and verify if it was installed successfully and if it's running, and then we will choose the display manager as well. Hopefully it will show in this version, because in the previous version there was only one, that was DDM3 I guess, and it should be the light DDM3. So if it shows in the installation, I will show you the different display managers. Okay, so the upgrade is completed. Now we're going to the step number 3. So as I told you, there are multiple desktop environment, but we are going to use the Gnome, and for that the command is apt install ubuntu desktop, and make sure your spellings are correct. Okay, it's going to take almost 2.2 GB additional space for this one. You need to press Y and hit enter to confirm, and then it's gonna take a little while depending on your resources and your internet speed. So right now I'm just going to pause the video recording, and once it's installed I'll come back. Okay, so the Ubuntu desktop has been installed. So we installed Gnome, not the other desktop environment like XFCE or KDE. Okay, and the step number 5, we are going to reboot this machine. Okay, so the virtual machine is rebooting, and I will show you here what you need to verify for the Ubuntu desktop. It will show up here, and if those services are running okay, that means your Ubuntu desktop has been installed properly and it should work. So you can see everything goes fine, and you can see the OK sign in green color. So you can see here started Gnome display manager, and that's all okay. So it should be in the green sign, not red or failed. So that means your Gnome Ubuntu desktop has been installed successfully. Okay, there you go. Now you can see the Ubuntu desktop login screen. So that's the method how you install Ubuntu desktop. It's super easy, but you need to understand what service you want to install. As I told you, there are like multiple display managers. You can choose any of them, and then like right now I'm using the Gnome should look like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.